let's get started. We're gonna start by doing a toe. Tap your toe with the right foot, then your heel with the same foot. Then we're gonna do a shuffle in place, but think of it as walking in place. Okay, like this, right, left, right. So it looks like this, toe, heel, right, left, right. Again, toe, heel, right, left, right. Again, toe, heel, right, left, right. One more, toe, heel, right, left, right. Okay, we're getting all warmed up. Now we're gonna do the same thing on the opposite side. So we're taking this left foot, guess what? Toe, then heel, then it's the other way, so it's left, right, left. To try it, toe, heel, left, right, left. Again, toe, heel, left, right, left. One more, toe, heel, left, right, left. Good. So now if we try them all together, okay, with counts, actually let's do with words first. Ready, go. Toe, heel, right, left, right. Toe, heel, left, right, left. With counts, it's 1, 2, shuffle, 3 and 4, toe, heel, 7 and 8. Okay, moving on, we're gonna do a Charleston. A Charleston looks like this. You're gonna step forward on this right foot, step onto it, kick the left foot, step back onto this left foot, and touch your right toe back. Okay, it's 4 counts there. So it's step, kick, step, touch. Try again, step, kick, step, touch. Okay, so again, you're stepping onto the right foot, kicking your left foot, stepping onto this left foot, and then touching your right toe back. Step, kick, step, touch. And guess what? We're repeating that twice. So it's going to cycle through twice. So we're going step, kick, step, touch, repeat, step, kick, step, touch. Let's see if we can put that all together from the beginning. 5, 6, from the toe, heel, right, left, right, toe, heel, left, right, left. Charleston, 1, 2, 3, touch, 4, again, 5, 6, 7, touch, 8. Very nice. Again, from the top, ready, go. Toe, heel, right, left, right, toe, heel, left, right, left, step, kick, step, touch, step, kick, step, touch. If you're feeling up to it, some people add claps at the kick. So you can go step, clap, clap, and touch, step, clap, clap, and touch. If you're not there, don't worry about it, okay? All right, so let's see, try it with the claps if you want to this time. Ready, go. Toe, heel, right, left, right, toe, heel, left, right, left, step, kick, step, touch, step, kick, step, touch. Great, your weight should be on your left foot, okay? Moving on to the next section. We're gonna do a grapevine to the right, okay? It looks like this. Step side with the right, step behind it with the left, step side again with the right foot, and touch your left foot next to your right. Only touch it because your weight should still be on your right foot. Okay, again, that's right, behind, right, and touch. Okay, so you're stepping onto the right foot, weight should be on the right, behind, right, touch. Okay, again, right, behind, right, touch. Good. Now we're going to do a grapevine to the left, but we're adding a quarter turn. I know. At the end of it, it looks like this. Left, behind, turn, together. Okay? This move is in some of my other videos, so you should be familiar with it if you've been following me for a minute. So it's right, behind, right, touch, left, behind, turn, together. Okay? One more time. Ready, go. Right, behind, right, touch, left, behind, turn, together. We're almost done. Get excited. Let's try it all together from the top. So we start toe, heel, shuffle, okay? Ready, go. Toe, heel, right, left, right, toe, heel, left, right. Charleston, step, kick, step, touch, step, kick, step, touch, right, behind, right, touch, left, behind, turn, together. If you're not quite with me, you can always rewind the video and catch me back here, okay? But I'm gonna move on. For this next step, we're gonna do a diagonal, diagonal and up. We're stepping diagonal and together, and we clap, okay? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then back where we came from, diagonal backwards to the left, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, you're kind of dragging your foot. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's put that all together from the top. We're almost done. 5, 6, ready, go. Toe, heel, right, left, toe, heel, left, left. Charleston, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Water. Good. Now we slide and clap, and slide and clap. Again. Ready, go. Toe, heel, right, toe, heel, left, left. Charleston, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Grapevine, 1, behind, touch, step, behind, turn, diagonal and clap, diagonal and clap. That part's easy, right? One more time, let's see if we can go a little faster, then I'll teach you the last part. 5, 6, ready, go. Toe, heel, right, toe, heel, left, left. Step, clap, clap, and touch. Step, clap, clap, and touch. Right behind, right, touch. Left behind, turn, together, and slide, and clap, and slide, and clap. Yay, okay. This is the last section of the dance. And this is a section that a lot of people mess up and rush because they forget the first 4 counts. The first 4 counts is just, it's like a little hip. You're supposed to dip your hip and lift your knee, dip your hip, lift your knee, do that. But we won't worry about all the hip dips and knee lifts. We're just gonna think of it, because we're beginners here, we're just gonna think of it as 4 counts in place. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? You can walk in place if that helps, but it's 4 counts, we're counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we do the part that people normally rush into. You're going to step forward onto this right foot, okay? And I will teach you an alternative. If the turns are too hard for you, I will teach you what to do. You step onto this right foot, half turn. You should now be facing wherever behind you was. And then we're going to step onto the right foot again and half turn, putting you right back where you were. We're just doing a 360-degree turn. So it's step, half turn, step, half turn, okay? If that's too much for you, we're just gonna do the same thing again. Remember the 1, 2, 3, 4. We repeat, 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll be in the same spot everybody else is, okay? You do not need to do a full turn if you're not comfortable with it. They mess some people up if they're beginners. Do not worry. As long as you're facing the same way as everybody else, that's all that matters. So we're just gonna do that, okay? So pick whether you're gonna do the turn or do this twice. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step, half turn, okay? I'm gonna do the half turns so that people practicing can watch and do it with me. But just remember, if I'm turning, you should be stepping if you chose the simple way, okay? But that's the whole dance. Get excited. We're gonna turn to the front and see if we can do the whole thing, starting from the toe, heel, okay? Ready, go. Toe, heel, right, toe, heel, left, left. Step, clap, clap, and touch. Step, clap, clap, and grapevine. 1, 2, 3, touch 4, 5, 6, 7, turn 8. Slide 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Again, ready, go. Toe, heel, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7. Charleston, 1, kick, 3, 4, 5, kick, 7, 8. Grapevine, 2, 3, 4. Grapevine with a turn and slide 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 in place. Step, half turn, step, half turn. How'd you do? One more time, and then we're gonna see if we can do it facing a different way. Ready, go. Toe, heel, right, toe, heel, left, left. Step, clap, clap, and touch. Step, clap, clap, and touch. Right, 2, 3, 4, left behind, turn together, diagonal and clap, diagonal and clap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now we're facing a different direction. Let's see if we can do it. I'm not going to break it down on this wall. We're just going to go for it nice and slow. 5, 6, ready, go. Toe, heel, right, left, toe, heel, left, step, clap, clap, and touch, step, clap, clap, and touch, right, behind, right, touch, left, behind, turn together, and slide, slide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You should now be facing the back of your room. Wherever you started, you should be facing behind it. Okay, let's see if we can do it twice in a row. Twice in a row. 5, 6, ready, go. Toe, heel, right, toe, heel, left, step, clap, clap, and touch, step, clap, clap, and touch, right behind, right, touch, left behind, turn, diagonal, diagonal, and 1, 2, 3, 4, step, half turn, step, half turn. Okay, I said twice in a row, but I stopped. So let's do the last wall. Should be the last direction you face before we get back to our front wall. 5, 6, ready, go. Toe, heel, right, toe, heel, left, step, clap, clap, touch, step, clap, clap, step, touch, right behind, right, touch, left behind, turn, diagonal, diagonal, and 1, 2, 3, 4, step, half turn, step, half turn. That is the whole dance. Let's see if we can get through 4 walls in a row, and then we'll try it to music. 5, 6, ready, faster, toe, heel, right, toe, heel, left, step, clap, clap, and touch, step, clap, clap, touch, right behind, right, and left behind, turn, diagonal, diagonal, and 1, 2, 3, 4, step, half turn, toe, heel, right, toe, heel, left, step, clap, clap, and step, clap, clap, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, turn, diagonal, diagonal, in place, 2, 3, 4, step, half turn, and toe, heel, right, toe, heel, left, step, and step, kick, touch, right behind, right, touch, left behind, turn, diagonal, diagonal, and 1, 2, 3, 4, step, half turn. Last time through, toe, heel, right, toe, heel, left, step, kick, step, touch, step, kick, step, touch, right behind, right, and left behind, turn, diagonal, diagonal, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I hope you did so good. I'm going to do it to music now. Please rewind the video and do it again if you're not quite there, and then come dance with music. Thank you for doing my lesson. Let's have some fun.